And I'm going to put it up here.
But my favorite is this one.
All right.
But Mama, can we put it again? And then other ones?
Sure.
This is one and Tinkerbell one.
Oh.
And mine to keep in my trunk, so I get to keep them.
Oh, cool.
So I picked those ones up. And Lou, it's your turn.
Oh, I'm just going to watch.
What?
Because it's your tree.
Your turn.
Come on, Aunt Woo Woo. If you're here, you're going to work.
All right, I'm going to pick one. Which one's taller? Can I hang this one? Okay, let's hang it.
That's my turn again.
And then it's your turn again?
Oh, yeah, look at the cookies.
Let's put the sun. Let's put the sun right here.
This is kind of a spider, well, it's actually a snowflake.
Oh, beautiful.
You know that? You know why I just said?
Why?
Because it looks like one. But I just bought that yesterday.
Did you?
Yeah.
It looks so pretty.
Mommy,
I like your
it's
lights.
your turn.
Oh, beautiful.
Bigly.
Oh. Go dance in front of the tree. Daddy can take your picture dancing right in front of the beautiful lights. Big twirl. Big twirl.
Pretty, honey. Excellent.
You need a twirl?
Excellent, sweetie.
I am.
He's taking a moving picture, so you can dance.
Go ahead and move. Good job, honey.
Oh, pretty
Good
twirl.
twirl.
I can just trim myself up by myself.
Good job. Good job. Big finish. Bravo, ballerina!
Do the next song, okay? And I don't
This is
know.
a little funkier.
Yeah, let's read
You
the
got to
note.
shake your booty on this one. Come on, shake your booty.
Okay.
So you come read the note.